Brendan is going for the AM walk. Shut up. I can see him. I can see his little head. Dumbass. Because John wanted me to take video, so before.
Brendan?
No, before he told me to go outside. I said I have to get in my clothes to take video. I gotta put socks on, snow boots, and pants.
So what?
So what do you mean? So what?
All you gotta do is stand here.
No, you're.
All you gotta do is stand
Because you
here.
can't see anything from here.
If you stood outside, you could see everything's covered. It looks like a giant mound of...
Right. Let me just see when Brendan went. Brendan! Come on, Brendan. He said they're washing the snow. Babe! I don't see them. Do you see them?